this video, I'm going to show you how a complete beginner like me can use Claude AI to make an app. Let's get into the video. A beginner like me, or you can do it. So this is one of the apps that I designed in Claude AI. Yes, and it helps you to validate your digital product idea, to see if it's good, to see if people will like it or not. Here you can come in, fill in the name of your product idea. What is your digital product idea, so that you can explain to this app more, and you can choose what type is it. Is it an ebook? Is it a template, online course, printable, digital asset, membership, stock photos, software, and so much more. But I designed this in Claude AI, and I designed that for free. Yes, and that's what I want to show you, how you can start this. Yes, but if you are new to this channel, I would like to welcome you. And if you want to start your digital product journey but you don't know how, I've created a free guide that walks you step by step, yes, on how you can start your digital product journey. I will leave the link in the description below. You can go ahead and download it if you are new to digital products, or if you've been creating them and they are not working for you. I've created this free guide that can help you skyrocket your digital product business. So let's get into our app creation. So as I told you, I've created this one using Claude AI, but today I want us to create maybe a different thing, or an app that is in a different niche. So it depends on your niche. I'm not saying that go and copy this exact idea, but you can go ahead and create your own idea. Yes, so first of all, you have to sign up to Claude AI, and it's for free signing up. But if you are on a free version, there are some things that you are not going to reach. Yes, it has a limitation, like on everything which is free you can't access like the premium features, or it gives you limitations when you are on a free version. Like if you use your credits and finish, there is a time that it's going to stop. Yes, and you have to upgrade. So I'm going to use this chance. I'm on a free version. Yes, and you can start using it at a free version. So if you see what it is creating is working for you, then you can go ahead and upgrade to a paid version. And the good thing, these apps, you can go ahead and sell them, or the apps you build in Claude AI. And if you get onto a paid version and you start using code, then that will be even better for you. But now for me, I'm on a free version, and if you're still on a free version, it's still okay. Yes, so let's get into the creation process. Now, for example, today I want to use motherhood as a niche. Yes, but there are so many other niches that you can use. Maybe the make money niche, or you can go into relationship and find a sub niche that you want to use, or you can go into fitness or wellness. So it will depend on you, but today I want us to create something about motherhood. And the good thing about it, you can keep on asking it to make changes if you want. If what it has created for you, you don't like it, you can go ahead to ask it to keep on making changes and upgrading up to when you reach what you want. So let's get started. First of all, with AI, you're supposed to give it a prompt first. Okay, so you don't just come from nowhere, it will not understand. You give it a prompt according to what you want. Remember, AI is not a human being, it's a robot, so you have to prompt it in the right way. Yes, so what we are going to do, you can use a voice speaker to record a voice note, or there is another AI which is called Whisper Flow that you can use, and it can be recording all the things you want, and you can use that recording it has made for you to paste it into this Claude AI or any other AI. But for this case, I'm going to type. Yes, so I'm going to come it here. I'm going to ask it, can you create for me an app about, be specific about your niche, about motherhood. I have grammar that helps with my spellings sometimes, about motherhood, and I want it to be for mothers. I want it to be for mothers struggling. Let me say who want to lose belly fat after C-section. And when it comes to digital products, the more specific you are, the more you are going to get sales. Yes, because you are solving a person's specific problem. So if it comes to C-section, most people who get a C-section, it's hard to lose that belly fat because it can take you some time to exercise. Some people are even afraid of tying their bellies after the C-section, so it becomes a real struggle. Yes, so now you are niching down to target women who have gone through a C-section. But if you had made it broad, like women who want to lose belly fat, then it wouldn't speak more. But now we are niching it down to people who have a specific problem, that is C-section. So I'm going to go ahead and ask it to create, and you can go ahead and also ask it what apps are working well, what can I do, what app can I do, can you come with me maybe with a list of 10 apps that I can create. That way it will work. If you are on a paid version, that's even better because you have more time to research. But since I am on a free version and I don't want my credits to finish and I already know what I want, so I'm going to go ahead and ask it to go ahead and create this for me. But I'm telling you, if you are on a paid version, or if you have time and you can wait for your credits to rerun again, then you can go ahead and ask more questions, go deeper to know what your niche is about, what really people expect from your app, what people want your app to do. So you ask questions, you ask it to go and make deep research for you, maybe in places like Reddit, on Facebook groups, to know exactly what people are suffering from. In that way, it's better. You have more information to work with, and you know you are targeting a specific audience. Yes, you're targeting a specific audience, and that way it will be better for you to do it like that than giving it a prompt and you are not sure if your product is going to work or not. Yes, so it's always good to make your research and to see what is really working and what is really not working. Yes. So now Claude is working its magic. Here it's telling me it's warming up the app. So as you can see, here is your Mama Fit app concept. It's designed specifically for C-section moms. So the why people like Claude, because it will even tell you what your product is going to be about even before it starts creating it, so that you know what you are getting into. So if you like what it has given you, then you can go ahead and ask it to go ahead and create what you want. So here it is asking you, would you like me to expand any part of this, like adding a full workout timer, meal planner, journal section, or turning it into a full React app, so with more screens. So I will choose React app, and I'll ask it to go ahead to create before our credits finish. Yes, so it has given you a concept and you know what you are working with. That way it's better. So I'll just put in this prompt, I'll put it React app and go ahead and create it. So I'm going to ask it to go ahead and create it. Yes, so here it is going ahead to create according to the document that it had given me before. So it is creating it here for you, and sometimes it doesn't take long, and if you're on a paid version, it will be even more quicker for you to create this app because it will be so easy and so fast. Yes, but if you are on a free version, sometimes it can take some time, and sometimes you have to wait for your credits. When they finish, you have to wait when they are back. Sometimes they'll give you like maximum of 3 hours until they reopen Claude for you again to be able to chat with it. Yes, sometimes it can go up to 3 or 4 prompts you can give, and it depends on what you are asking it to do. Yes, so it is like that. So we are waiting as the app goes on, as it keeps on writing. But as I told you, any product you do, you better do your research very well. And I've also created an app that helps you to validate your idea, to see if your idea is good, if people will like it or not. So I'll also leave the link to that in the description, where you validate your idea. Instead of creating an idea that does not work, create what works, test it first, validate it to see, are people going to love it or not? Because it's better you take your time and come up with what people want, and instead of wasting your time and creating what people don't want. So it's still creating, yes, so you can take your time and wait. Yes, or you can be doing other stuff as it goes on to do the rest of its work. And when it's done, it will show you that it's done. Yes, and as I've told you, be specific on what you want this AI to create for you. Yes, and you can comment where you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Yes. So I think it's almost done. It's about to finish. Sometimes, as I told you, it takes long because it wants to give you the best. So as you can see on this side, we can work with Claude and be asking it to change things that we don't want. On this side, it has given us our app. So this is our app, and this is how it looks like. Wow. And it has given it even a good name. It is called Mama Fit C-section recovery belly fat loss, week 7 of your recovery. And why I like that it's named it week 7 of your recovery, it's good because people have a timeline. So it is even greeting, saying, good morning mama, your C-section scar is healing beautifully, you are doing incredible. And here it is putting week 7-week postpartum, 1 day done, 2 glasses of water, recovery milestone, what you have walked. And here it is showing you the exercises that you can do to help you quickly recover. And here the nutrition, what you can eat, so that you know, I'm eating this, if I eat this I'm going to get fat, if I eat this I'm not going to get fat. And here it has also gone ahead to give you a journal where you can write how you feel like, or was it a good day, or maybe when you worked out you felt some pain in your C-section scar. So it depends on you. Yes, it depends on you. And here it has also gone ahead to give you some tips. Yes, and what you can do. So if you have a website and you want to sell it there, you can copy, or you can download it and go ahead and say it. So you can copy it here. Yes, or you can go ahead and download your app here and upload it. Yes, here you can copy the code and you can go ahead and upload this code into your website. For example, you can come and upload, if you don't want to build a site, you can upload this like on Google Sites. Yes, and it would still work for you. But if you want, you can also go ahead and use it on your website if you want. So I have downloaded it here now. This is this is now the script that we can go ahead to use. Yes, if you want, you can go ahead and use this one, yes, into your website. Yes, and if you don't want to use that, then you can use like places where you can host apps, and you can go there and host your app there. Yes, but if you don't have money and you're just starting out, like I did for this app that I was created when I was trying out this before I come to teach you guys, I put this on Google Sites and it's really working very well. Everything is functioning very well. And if you are on a budget, you don't want to spend more, then you can do it like that. But if you have the money to upgrade, you can just go ahead, copy your code here that Claude has given you, then you go paste it into your website and it can still go ahead and work for you. Yes, it can still go ahead and work for you very well. So it depends on you which one you want to do. so it will depend on you, or you can also publish it here. So I don't know which one work for you. You can publish it here, or you can also go ahead and use it on your website. So I'll click publish and copy link so that we can see how the published version is. Yes, so here I'm going to copy my link so that I'm going to paste it into Google here so that we can try it out by ourselves. So I'll click enter, but it wouldn't be good for people to be seeing all of this showing Claude AI. So you can put it maybe in a Google site or your website where people can know that it's your own. Yes, because here it is showing Claude AI and everything. Yes, so here this is how the app looks like. Yes, and here you can come in, check whatever you want, or check your exercise, everything, customize it. You can come here and customize it. Here is the nutrition size, here is the journal, and here are the tips, and you can enter whatever you want and save. And another good thing about this, when we come back here to our app, maybe you don't like the colors, you can just come here in this corner and tell Claude AI, say maybe I want this app to be all in pink, maybe I want you to remove this good morning section. So you can go ahead, come here and ask this AI to put in other features that you want, or if you want to expand it more. Yes, or you want to change the colors, or you want the text to be more visible. You can do whatever you want when it comes to that. Here in this right corner, you just type in what you want this app, or what you want this AI to add into your app, and you will be good to go. Yes, and if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, to comment, share, and to subscribe. And as I've told you, I've created a free guide that helps you to start your digital product journey. So I'll leave it